This 2020 Dutchmen Voltage V4195 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.